In this video, I will show you two ways of inserting the copyright symbol into a Word document. Click on to insert and this ribbon will appear. Click onto where it says symbol and you'll see the copyright symbol appears here. Click onto that and look, and you can see the copyright has appeared in this position. It's now a question of typing in the way in which you wish to copyright it. And I'm going to type in John Doe, which suggests that the copyright of this document belongs to John Doe. An alternative is to type in a open bracket, then C, and then a close bracket. And you can see that it changes to the copyright symbol. I'll keep this copyright consistent with the previous one we looked at, so I'll just type in John Doe.